Hello and welcome to this lecture, which is a question asked in GATE 2023 Physics for 1 mark. So here they are asking, they have given 4 constants and asking which of the following is dimensionless constant. So the 4 constants given are permittivity of free space, permeability of free space, Bohr magneton, and fine structure constant. Uh, so fundamental dimensions are for representing any unit that is mass m, length is represented by L, and time by T, and electric current as I. So it is represented in this form mLTI, and based on the units we get here power either in the plus or minus we get. So for um, Coulomb law of attraction force. So here force is equal to Q1 Q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught R square. Force has the unit Newton and Q1 has Coulomb, and 4 pi is constant, and epsilon naught we have to find the dimension, and R square has M square. So here also Newton is equal to kg meter per second square, and Coulomb square can be written as ampere square into second square. Basically, Q is equal to IT. So here I is ampere, and when we square it is ampere square, and T is nothing but seconds, so second square. Now, when we substitute for epsilon naught goes this way, and F comes into the denominator. So substituting the newtons, that is kg meter per second square, we end up having ampere square second to the power 4 in the denominator kg times meter cube. So here kg is mass, which is in the denominator, so m power minus 1. And here meters is length, in the denominator m power 3, so L power minus 3. And seconds is time, so S power 4 is T power 4, and ampere is nothing but electrical current I, in the same way. So we write in this sequence M. So here epsilon naught has the dimension. Similarly, two current carrying conductors experiences attraction. Whether it is attraction or repulsion depends on the direction of currents in two conductors. So it is given by this formula: F is equal to mu naught by 4 pi I1 I2 by R into L. So here similarly F is Newton and I1 I2 is ampere, L is meter and R is also meter. So units of mu naught is Newton by ampere square. And we know that Newton is equal to kg meter per second square, and in the denominator ampere square. So dimensions of mu naught is kg is mass m, and meter is length L, so L power 1. And second square is there in the denominator, so T power minus 2. And ampere square is also there in the denominator, so I power minus 2. So permeability of free space mu naught has dimension. Similarly, Bohr magneton, if we take mu b is equal to EH cross by 2m. So E has unit Coulomb, and reduced Planck constant, same as Planck's constant as Joule second, and m is kg. Now Joule is equal to this unit because Joule represents unit of work. So basically work is equal to force into distance, and force unit we have already seen previously, kg meter per second square into distance, that is another meter, so kg meter square per second square. So when we substitute this here, we have Coulomb and kg meter square by second square into second by kg. We get Coulomb meter square by second. So Coulomb by second is nothing but current. So we get I power 1, and there is no unit for second, because Coulomb by second is already converted into current. So I power 1. So no more second. So T power 0, and meter square is L power 2, and there is no kg in this. So it is M power 0 L2, and so Bohr magneton also has the dimensions. Now, when we look at the fine structure constant alpha, um, E by 4 pi epsilon naught C H cut. So basically here F is equal to Q1 Q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught R square. So here epsilon naught has the unit C square by N Newton meter square based on the force equation, force between two charges. From there we got epsilon naught unit. Now here alpha is equal to this E square represents Coulomb square, and we have epsilon naught, that is Coulomb square by Newton meter square. And here c is the speed of light, which has the unit meter per second, and h cut that is reduced Planck's constant as joule second, and joule second is equivalent to Newton meter into second. So now units of alpha, when we substitute all this here we get Coulomb square and c square by Newton meter square for epsilon naught, and c is meter per second, and h crosses joule second, that is equal to Newton meters second. Now this will cancel and there will be no unit. So this is dimensionless constant. So I am also putting the two videos for derivation of Bohr magneton as well as derivation of fine structure constant in the description as well as in the pinned comment. So please check them as well. Thank you.